It turns any old radio that is not Bluetooth compatible or have an auxiliary port in, and it makes it Bluetooth compatible with your phone. Turn it on and hit play. There it is. And it's working, and it's making my phone my radio Bluetooth compatible. Like I said, my 06 Dodge Dually, I don't have any wires hooked up to it. It's hands-free except my charging. I'm just charging my phone. Now I'm going to make a phone call with it, and let's see how it works. It's coming through my speakers.
Hello?
Hello, can you hear me?
Yeah.
Can you hear me well?
Yeah.
Okay, thank you. Call me back, please.
Okay.
It even turns regular radios, and it makes a Bluetooth to your phone, so you can play your music. I bought this at iPhone-FMTransmitter.com. It really does work. I saw it on Gizmo Guy's page on Facebook. So I recommend anyone that has a older radio in your vehicle or does not have Bluetooth capabilities or an auxiliary port to buy it. It's a good little device, and I know I'm going to enjoy it. Thank you for your time, and again, go to iPhone-Transmitter.com and purchase one, and I saw it on Gizmo Guy's Facebook page. Thanks.